Hey guys, it's Pineapple Turtle here. I'm just wondering if I can throw this balloon on top of our ceiling fan just for a special present for Mateo's birthday, or CreeperXteo's birthday. Let's get to work. Whoa! That is very cool. Let's try it again. Oh! Headshot, I think. Whoa! Oh! That is so awesome. And you could try. Whoa! That was so awesome. I didn't even know that. Whoa! Oh! Let's try the both in there. Oh, come on! I guess I have to do this. Oh! Sorry, I couldn't find any toilet paper. What? Oh! I would like to thank CreeperXTeo. A happy birthday. Happy birthday, CreeperXTeo. Okay, so this is me celebrating CreeperXteo's birthday in my way, which was throwing balloons at a ceiling fan. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe.